Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, and right now we're doing XRP. It's down by like minus 10%, like everything. It's like the entire market is in red, so everybody wanna know like what's happening, man. Tell me what's happening in XRP, how far down are we going, where are the supports? So we're gonna identify some supports, we're gonna look at why it stopped, where it stopped, why it bounced, what's likely to happen, is this bullish, is this bearish, and stuff like that. That said, we got a Telegram group going on, a lot of people there, a lot of people are also panicky, but they are talking with each other as well. So if you need some kind of moral support, you know, maybe join the Telegram group and see if you can get that moral support there. That said, let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening. Make my face smaller, charts bigger as always a good thing. Let's see. So basically, right, today we dropped we are down by 10%, but we are down by a lot more. All the way down here it was 24%, 25% down. Did you guys sold? Did you panic sold? Did you panic sold? I know a lot of people that do not understand these things. They have really easy time to sell, to get rid, because they don't know where the supports are. They don't know what's gonna happen. It's gonna go to zero. You know, you are down by minus 25 on your portfolio. Even more if you buy higher up. It's only 25 from this point here. If you bought up here, you're down like by 50% by now, I think. Let's see. You buy up here, you're down by yeah, you have been down by 44%. You are looking, your life savings burn up. So people panic and they sell, and then it goes up and they're like, I should buy it, and they buy up at the top, and then it goes down again and they lose another 20 to 50%. Tough life. So why did it stop actually here? We had actually this support down here at 0.96. And this support comes from this triangle over here. It goes something from the top up there to the bottom over there. So there was some kind of triangle. This, it's not by this line, it's from the other line. It's from this line down here and down there. So basically this extends from the breakout, and the breakout you can see here exactly goes where the wick goes all the way down there, and now it's finding some kind of middle way, some kind of support on the 200 moving average on the 4-hourly chart. That said, we are not out of the dumps yet, and now you can see here that down here it's actually creating another pattern, and that's actually on the 5-minute chart. Now I won't advise you to do 5-minute charts ever, but you know, we can watch the 5-minute chart. It doesn't matter. So it looks like it's creating another some kind of a pattern over here, some kind of triangle pattern. You can see here drop. So something's gonna happen here. It's either go up or it's either go down, and we can actually do the same thing we did previously. We can figure out how far this is gonna go. So if it goes on upside, depends on where it breaks out. The target should be around 1.2, I think. Yeah, 1.9, 1.2. Let's just say 1.2 because nice and dandy number. And down is 0.98, around 0.9. Let's put a 0.9 because it's nice round number. We only want nice round numbers. So this looks like it's soon gonna break on one side. Which side is gonna be, it kind of depends. If it goes down and revisits the previous low, because right now this is some kind of sports. If it revisits the previous low, we also have to watch what Bitcoin is doing, and if Bitcoin is gonna drop further down or not. If Bitcoin start dropping further down, then the probability is this might actually follow Bitcoin, and then probably hopefully find support. If not, it might actually go further down. But I'm not scared. Like it doesn't matter if it's XRP or any of this. It is a big dump. We are hitting some kind of lows on Bitcoin right now. So you know, in the long term everything will be okay. I think everything will be okay in the long term. But right now, I mean, a lot of people are panicking. So there are some kind of supports here. We can start looking by. We have these two numbers, of course, 1.2, 1.09. That's actually been broken. We have been let's see in the 4-hourly chart. Yeah, we broke that down here very nicely. There was actually no stopping here. We just went here and just went right through 109. So this stop over here did not hold actually as expected at all. We just blasted through this other one. So these two we can actually delete because they are terrible supports. We cannot counter those. The only way we can counter those if we pull back above 1.09 and actually close there. So we're gonna keep it there until tomorrow. We're gonna see what's happening tomorrow. So what do we get now? We got this support down here. We got also the support down here at 0.91. So that's only a little bit above 0.9. A little bit above 0.91. That's the support. this one. So there are a couple of supports there. Let's see on the weekly if you can see anything. No, 4 hour, no. So you got 200 moving average down here at 97. We're gonna do it like this just so we can see the supports. Let's see on the daily if there are any supports there. There are no supports there. On the weekly there are no supports there. So basically these are supports. So let's clean this a little bit up and see what we actually can find, where the supports are actually lying, sitting. This is finished. This line of resistance we have to get there, so it's a long way to there, so we're not gonna watch that now. And what do we have now here? Let's see a little bit on the daily chart. Maybe there is something, some kind of trending line down here like this. You can see also it's converges around 88, so that might actually help us. And is there anything here that we can actually this is a low one, this is a low one, and this one over here maybe looks like some kind of support, maybe some kind of support. So basically these are the supports we have right now, and if we start going lower, let me zoom this nicely so we can talk about it. Okay, so basically this support down up here at this support at 1.09 is actually been broken. We retested as a resistance and went further down. So right now we are sitting at this diagonal line and this other support at 1.01 actually 0.1. So whether it is gonna hold or not, it depends to see. Right now it's been holding for 2 candles, so that might actually be a nice support. But if Bitcoin start dropping down below this, then we have to look at this 0.97, 96, and then lower here at 0.98, 99. So I would say there are 2 areas of support. It's down here at previous low that we are supposed to hit if we go out of the 5-minute chart, and then you got this area down here between 88 and 90 that also might be hit if we continue going down. But then after that, those levels are like really low, and if we start hitting those, let me pull moving averages. Those are real lows. The last one is a 74. This is the weekly 10 moving average. We also gotta watch that. So whether we're gonna hit that or not, it kind of depends. But these are the moving average. Also the 50 moving average on the daily, we didn't put that up there. We forgot that. How could we forget that, man? 50 moving average is important. 81. We got 81 as well. So thing is with supports, now it looks very messy and stuff like that. I understand that, but that's the thing with the supports. You never know where it's gonna find the bottom. You can see here the wick just broke everything. It went into this area here, so it might indicate that we might actually revisit the area if it starts dumping. That said, the only way you're gonna know where the support is if you wait for the daily close. Daily close is gonna tell you where the support is. Daily close are actually the best to determine. Right now this 1.01 is actually holding. Whether it's gonna hold or not, it depends, but we need the daily close, and right now we're just watching what's unfolding. And the thing is, we gotta follow Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin starts going up, then everything's gonna go up, and if it goes down, everything's gonna go down. So that's why I suggest you follow my daily Bitcoin updates. Right now I did a Bitcoin update, so go check it out. Besides that, watch Bitcoin very closely day by day, what's gonna happen with it, to determine if we're gonna go down or if we're gonna go up. But these are the sports where it actually might hold. But these should be watched on the daily chart, and look for some kind of reversal. It's first, catching the bottom is hard. I wouldn't advise catching the bottom, but reversal after confirmation might be easy. But right now it looks very noisy, but in these 2 areas should find bottom. If not, it's 0.81. I hope that helps. I don't know if that helps, but long term I'm very bullish on XRP, especially since the weekly chart is now resetting down to 64 on the RSI, and we are getting almost close to this 10 moving average, which is actually quite nice. I was even bullish before we actually started this dump over here, but right now this is actually coming like a very good thing. I think all altcoins are pricing this dump, because right now they are resetting some of the bigger indicators, and that means that as soon as the dump is over, like, it's gonna be nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel to see more XRP updates. We do them every day. Also Bitcoin updates. Check out the Telegram channel, because on Telegram channel we do notifications for the Bitcoin videos, because notifications for Bitcoin videos don't go on the regular YouTube. You only get to hear about it on the Telegram chat. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out the Patreon as well. Very important. Bye bye.